pane maleaked conversation chats ari kuyapangwa inoye ari kuya achiva suspected kunzi these chats ankari between Professor Jonathan Moyo and his brother achida pachina kuti they want to dismantle the army pamwechete naVP Kosandino Chiwenga. Nzalamina mashuka mdanyu kupangwa ino. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. According to President anti 23 Orochikora Kananda Hendo anaposta these pictures amuri kuona mudanya rachita alert ZDF link the chats between Professor Jonathan Moyo and his brother. Review Moyo as the Cap 3 mastermind. His goal, fix Chiwenga and the army. After driving the Section 212 amendment, Moyo now aims to dismantle the military entirely. The agenda is to weaken the ZDF is now clear. Though mashukana itoko pangwa na posta machasa mrukoda tuona kuti Professor Moyo hano yashtora na udziri very critical zanokuda yashtora vachiti Yanga, I destroyed Zim opposition so ndagara mugiam Bob trusted me. Anatambira achita I need to deal with the army, especially Chiwenga. Afe akapinda panyanga, we need to dismantle the army. It's useless. They nearly killed me in 2017. Anatambira achita Marita Kajiga. Ziambi paid a lot for the BB. Takajiga. I bought 2 houses here. Since my departure in 2017, I was angry with the army and I was looking for a way to punish the army and Chiwenga Ikojeno, and this is na Chugumbu, Dangomirira Cap 3 to be signed na ED. Then after 2 months, I come home. I end up Rachid Marizere Onojiga Yanga. By the way, I will be Minister of Information, Kana, Tagujunura, Army and Chiwenga. I end up Shikarachiti. Apana chinochisa apa tiso tiri kutonga Zimbabwe from Nairobi. I'm looking for a company to renovate my house because I want it to be done perfectly and it kuona damage. Ndo mashukano mdanyugwa pangwa ino atukona kuti these conversations are quite exposure kuti mkumana Professor Jonathan Moyo is the architect of the Cap 3. Pena comment section menu zofungura ili mtu kulipa msobe these developments. Muzana subscribe or like hapo chini on the bell icon.